Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the integration of 1 over x plus 4 to the power 8 by 7 into x minus 3 to the power 6 by 7? We can write this as the integration of 1 over x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x minus 3 to the power 6 by 7 dx, and we can make the power of x plus 4 like 6 by 7, so we can write this as 2 minus 6 by 7, which is again equal to this. Now we can write this step is x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 divided by x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7 into 1 over x plus 4 whole square dx, and we can write this step is x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7 into 1 over x plus 4 whole square dx. And next we can write this is x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole power minus 6 by 7 into 1 over x plus 4 whole square dx. Now here let this is equation 1. Let u is equal to x minus 3 divided by x plus 4. So du is equal to, by quotient rule we can write x plus 4 whole square and x plus 4 into 1 minus x minus 3 dx, and du is equal to 7 divided by x plus 4 whole square dx, and 1 over 7 du is equal to 1 over x plus 4 whole square dx, and let this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now put equation 2 and 3 in equation 1 and we get u power minus 6 by 7 1 over 7 du, and this is equal to 1 over 7 u to the power 1 over 7 divided by 1 over 7 plus c. This is cancelled with this, and u is equal to x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 to the power 1 over 7 plus c. And the correct answer is option C. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.